Hey guys, it is Tuesday morning here in the Philippines, and as promised, we are doing the Truckin' Tuesday, and it's kind of a two for Tuesday because I only have two of them to show you guys, but I had to bring these out and show them to you because just picked them up last week, and I was trying like crazy to find another one of these, and I finally did. This is your ultra rare 2011 Hot Wheels Garage Premium Series J-Case Power Wagon. The J-Case is that notorious case from this series that was almost impossible to find in the States, but was actually readily available here in the Philippines, surprisingly. Because these things pop up all the time for decent prices, along with the 67 Ford Bronco, the beige and black one with the number 67 on the door, and then the custom 69 Chevy pickup, and then the 65 Impala, and then the 72 Ford Ranchero that we just did a video on not too long ago. And as mentioned, I wish I could get the trucks. Well, I finally found the Power Wagon again. Now I'm trying to seek out the other two trucks. The, not Power Wagon, but the Bronco and the C10. So they have two other variants of this from the 2011 Garage Series. This is the first appearance of this casting, the first time it was ever seen, so this is the first edition. And they have a green and white two-tone one with these chrome 5-spokes. Then there is an orange and black one that the paint job kind of resembles almost like a strobe stripe on like an AAR CUDA, something like that. The paint job reminds me of. And the wheels are orange and they're a different style. They're like a 5-slot instead of a 5-spoke. And it is a Walmart exclusive Power Wagon. We've done an unboxing on that not too long ago. If you search my videos, you'll find it. So very cool casting. A lot of very valuable versions of this truck out there. There is the pink party truck. I think is the most valuable of all of them. Then there's a purple convention one. And then I think this one would fall in third, maybe, as most valuable. But I love this paint job, the black metallic, yellow inserts, and such. Power Wagon across the back with a roll pan, no bumper, detailed tail lights. No detailed headlights, unfortunately. And the grille, fog lights, bumper are all made as part of the casting, or part of the chassis casting. Side exit exhaust, kind of like an AAR CUDA. Kind of cool. And then you have your roll bar in the back. It's gray. You get gray interior. So the roll cage is part of the interior bucket and the back of the cab also. So pretty cool casting, really heavy casting. So these are pretty valuable nowadays. Really getting hard to find in the States. And then the second one I got is another casting that I love. Actually, it was my favorite truck casting. Is the Texas Drive 'Em. This is the latest release of it, and not much detail on the front, and it does have the bikes in the back, the open tailgate, and such. Very cool casting that they've done a lot of cool variants of. My favorite is the black chrome one with these chrome 5-spokes on it with the detailed bikes. It was an RLC Real Riders release, the second Real Riders appearance of the truck from RLC. So really dig that one. Did have it, but I got rid of it, unfortunately. And I probably will get rid of this one too. I'm just going to hang on to my Power Wagon and put him next to my Mr. Norton's dealership diorama. So this one came from your box set that is not too old, the truck set with 3 premium trucks, and then the flatbed. I forget which flatbed they use, but anyways, it's Moon Eyes logo and livery on it. Then there's a 62 Chevy, and then there's a Little Red Express, but it's in, I think, dark blue. So anyways, this is where that came from. So these are your two trucks for Truckin' 2 for Tuesday. And then we will be back again this weekend with a 5 for Friday. So I have 5 Mini GT GTRs that I want to show you. They're all the same car. Pick them up for some stock for my shop in the States when I get back. So I'll show those to you guys, and if you need one, let me know in the comments and chat. and such, and then I will put your name on the list and so forth, and I may even be able to get more if I have a big demand for these. So I'll show those to you guys on this Friday coming up, so be sure to tune back in for that. I appreciate you guys watching as usual, and I hope you enjoyed this look at a couple of really cool truck castings from Hot Wheels. The one Power Wagon you don't get to see every day, so it is always a special treat to see this guy come up in a video or come up for sale. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you this weekend.